Hello everybody and welcome back to the amazing show of Henry Havin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will discuss the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the duration, and a lot of things about the courses. Today in frame again we have Krishika with us, who is going to tell us about the grant writing course that we provide. So hi Krishika again, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
So tell me about what exactly is, or brief us about what is grant writing.
Okay, so basically grant writing is similar to content writing course, okay? In grant writing, we are covering your creative writing, research writing and your technical writing too.
Okay, so tell me about the eligibility criteria, or if is there any particular domain that is preferred?
No, domain is not preferred in this course, okay? And anyone can do the course. So there will be no any type of eligibility criteria.
Okay, and just because anybody who loves writing or who wants to grow their career in writing can do this course.
Yes.
That's amazing. So tell us about the job opportunities that opens up after the completion of the course.
Yeah, once you have done with the course, so you can become a technical writer to research writer to and even creative writer too.
So many job opportunities because so tell me about the duration of the course.
The course completes within a month.
Okay, within a month and you're good to go.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So let us discuss about what are the accreditations, affiliations at Henry Havin.
So basically, we are providing affiliation and accreditations of government bodies and even international bodies too, like UKCERT, UKF, MSM and ISO.
Okay, so we are Indian government recognized and internationally recognized. So that makes our certificate globally accepted with a unlimited validity.
Yes.
That's amazing, guys. So many highlights points and still you're not enrolled for this amazing course. Thank you so much, Krishika, for coming and joining. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, but don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Henry Havin. Thank you.